What's going on, Hood Nation? Here's Johnny and NidgeDFX Mario Old Animal Crossing. I think that's pretty dope. It's about time. Long past due. Kind of wish they... Is there a new animal dropping, Johnny?
Yeah, it's coming out like this coming Friday. I think it's out early for the different country.
Okay.
And that's not all. Doom is also coming out the same day as Animal Crossing.
That would have been awesome if Mario was in Doom. That would be that would be pretty brutal, though.
I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of Animal Crossing since
it's not my jam. Girls or women I've dated in the past love Animal Crossing, and that's cool. You know what I mean? It's not for everyone, but to me, it was just we all got our own cup of tea, right? Anyways, y'all, before we begin, please watch the original, full screen to tired our blabbing, because we don't shut up. Also, they're totally cool with the reactions. The cops some gift you guys can and be a sponsor. And our boy Johnny here, he's wrapping up an ad before we get this going, and we decided
I just wrap it up already.
Okay, it's over. They figured, hey, it's a good time right now to get our the words out on the table and everything. And I'll get some what was that there was like a raccoon and stuff. I don't know. It's been forever. The last Animal Crossing I really was, I want to say into, but pay attention because my ex played it, was on GameCube. So I'm totally outdated. Kind of curious to see if I can catch any references. If I do, I will say it on the fly. Thank God I got that volume issue solved on my Skype. Tom Nook. There we go. That was his name.
Boy.
Nook.
Are you a boy?
And then a cat.
Are you a girl?
Yeah.
Not very vegan.
Oh, he's a new toothy cat! Yo! You can't be doing that. Oh, do a barrel roll apparently was not part of the. Oh my. What is it, Berwin IP? What? There's Nook. That's the raccoon I was talking about.
You have a nice place here.
Welcome to my establishment.
This is where people come to die.
Just shake the trees and get a bunch of apples or whatever the hell it is. Oh no, they're taking him hostage? That's not good.
Oh, that's hot.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to the rice fields,
Oh my. I think they're a little bit overcooked. That's right, you just get to like pick a spot.
Be gone, fuck!
Yo! He just got him.
Do that.
Oh!
You want to say that again?
Animals don't use guns.
Apparently now they do. That's some Amazon packaging right there. That's right, bells. That was the currency in there.
La la la, I can't hear.
Yeah, you gotta go get your own, man. Yep, that's right, you start off in debt.
Mamma mia!
Those Nooks, though. That's right, you better start working that corner. Oh! How you gonna do our boy like that?
Sell your butter, Mario.
How you gonna do that? Yeah, nobody interested, thank God. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Come on!
But that picture looks funny.
I know.
Oh my God!
How did he just earn that change?
Here we go!
His doo-doo? It was a dung beetle. There's the trees with the apples. You gotta shake them or kick them or something like that. Yo, that's too much friction. Fried apples. Okay, it worked. It worked. Oh, his mind was just blown from that. Yo. Yeah. Just go molest every tree possible and you will be rich in that game. Well, sort of. You got to up your game eventually-ish, but...
You're just doing it just for money.
Yeah, the game is very, it's just a lot of that. What is that a honeycomb?
I don't play Animal Crossing, that's why I don't know.
Oh! Bee's got a bat!
I sure hope I don't get hit by a punch.
Why are you gay?
Mamma mia!
Oh! Oh, distraction! That poor thing. Don't step on that shovel if you turn around and run.
Yeah.
I've seen too many damn cartoons and stuff how that works out. Oh, you gotta catch them.
Step out of the shovel, then boom, hit your face.
Yeah. gonna snipe that, isn't he? Intercept. Well, he caught him instead. Jesus, you kidnapped the child?
And I got a commercial.
All right, everybody. We'll see you guys soon. I got one too. Well, a little pop-up ad, but not as like gnarly as yours.
All right, guys. We don't skip the commercials. Try to put them in his pocket. Not trying to pressure you all.
Exactly. We just want to set a good example, everybody. Thank you guys for your patience. 338.
Yeah, that'll do. All right.
You have a helicopter flying over you?
Yeah.
Hopefully you're not getting bombed by the government. They're like, Corona, boom!
Yeah.
Fuck, you never know, man. Shit. I'm pretty sure the whole lease is gonna get him. I actually got that ghetto ass sword right there. Well, actually that's a rod. I got like the Minecraft sword. That just doesn't look right.
Yeah.
Was he using that child as bait? What the? Did this evolve into squirrel?
Pokemon.
Yo, that was, I like that. I'll give him credit for that. That was very good originality there of a joke. What about the penguin? Is it dead? Like, yeah, I think we can just think about it. Dude. Alright.
That I love. I absolutely
Oh, Pepe.
love.
Hey, Stinky! Eto, sono lavato, l'abito!
Hoot! Hoot! Yeah, mate, dog.
Alright, let's see how much Mario can get. How many plates of spaghetti, right? Uh-oh.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate.
Ew.
It's so nice!
Prison time? Yeah. Oh!
I don't think so.
Oh, they went after him instead. That's just wrong, but Mario's just gonna...
Son of a bitch! I'm in!
He's all over it, man. Huh? So you just gotta do like a delivery dash, or those people are called, or Grubhub?
You just sold away.
Okie dokie!
You weren't gonna give it to someone who's sick?
He just went and pawned it instead of delivering it, didn't he?
Looks like it.
Can I have some money now?
Thank you!
Oh my god, Mario, you are totally gonna get ostracized.
Yeah.
A flower? He ain't happy with that.
Oh man.
Bukin's impression?
Yeah. Kind of right away I heard that come out of him.
Yeah.
What'd you do to him, Mario?
Hey, what's up? You want to come? We can all come down here and
And that explains everything.
Yeah.
He even
You
sold
what, you
his
just
body.
sold him?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
I have a feeling Mario had something to do with his disappearance. All I remember is,
Oh!
what house?
Yeah, what else does he paid off for?
A little closet? Oh,
Dang!
God. How much damage I do, Murray.
God damn it!
Nook's a pimp, man. He'd be charging everybody to crazy.
I'll take your advice.
The ass door. All he does is just eat. All he does, Mario eats and puts everything.
To my house.
That's something.
They just be jacking everybody's houses now. Nope, there's the spaghetti. What, do you think more gonna come out of the ground? I got nothing on that one. Apparently it works in his world.
You really have to admire Tom Nook. He's got
Oh no. That is horrible. Oh, never mind. He didn't whack him. Oh. He did!
No one can hear you.
All sad.
Oh, and I got another ad.
Yeah. 1, That's so sad. Stuck.
Yeah.
Trapped.
Wow.
Looks like his brother never sold, huh? Nah.
Wish you were here. What kind of picture is that?
Oh, that piano!
Wow!
Job's done.
You would do that to your brother.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. Like, you know, anime, Netflix adaptation, right?
Why doesn't mine look like that?
I think Mario's becoming a hoarder. That's just me.
A spaghetti tree?
Jeez, everything's so expensive
Damn!
in their world.
Mamma mia. No.
Oh!
Yeah, just like Super Mario Maker series.
Do not threaten Mario with a good time. That's all I want to say. And she did.
I am a god.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought for a second I thought he's gonna transfer like Waluigi did.
Right? I suppose I could see that. Yeah.
I still feel bad for
Exactly. Like I said, don't do that to Bob. That was the worst mistake ever.
Now Mario's going crazy.
Isabel.
Uh-oh, is he calling the TV head man? Or who is it?
Ah, Doom music.
Oh.
Oh, Doom Kai! That's what I was talking about earlier about Doom.
Yeah, you did. You didn't mention Doom.
Oh,
Oh,
Mario!
That'd be hilarious right now if they did a first-person view of him with the health right now chasing Mario instead of this. That would be funny if it, like, you know, the old school, like, 90s graphics. Did he just summon, what the, Godzilla? Is that? No, that ain't Godzilla.
I got it.
Like someone with modern Animal Crossing played Doom Classic game.
Yeah, the Doom music, though, I'm feeling it. It brings me back. Damn, see, everybody's turning Mario.
Oh yeah.
Ooh,
Critical hit!
And it's dead!
Wow!
What a wonderful world! Yeah.
It's just a prank, bro.
It's not a prank!
Oh, okay.
And he's
Yo.
blasting off again.
He just got a free trip home. Mario time. Damn. That was it. They just straight up booted his ass out of the world.
Well, he deserved that at the end.
Well, I'm not going to disagree with that.
Yeah.
I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Episode was pretty fun. There was a little bit of stuff here and there. I kind of... No, actually, it was good, though, because I'm going off of old memory of Animal Crossing, and I think they did a good job of just making it more fun than what it was, and the silliness. I remember Nook. Remember I mentioned the raccoon at the beginning. I was like, I don't remember his name, but Tom Nook.
Yeah.
So that's all I remember. What about you? How'd you feel about this?
Well, from the beginning, the middle was okay, and then at the end, can't believe to show like a Doom guy. They should make it serious like if Mario wasn't Doom because they never make the SMG4.
Well, they could be hinting towards that coming soon now, but like you said,
Yeah.
the two things that are coming out this week, and you said it before, you said Animal Crossing and Doom. So you're pretty spot. They gave a little bit of I don't know if it's Easter egg or tribute to it, but you're right. Like to me, next week they could have at least done the Doom then on top of that, you know.
Yeah.
So that to me would be a total crowd pleaser, for lack of better words. I'll wrap this up then.
Oh, before we go, I'm still yet to get the merch. I'm hoping to get the T-shirt, the hats, And I'm thinking about getting a Maggie plushie if they still sell it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on the plush. I want the shirt for sure. I think the shirt is badass, but unfortunately,
Yeah.
I might have to pass on it. We'll see right now. With everything going on, with my whole town is like locked down right now, like everywhere's closed, and you can't do anything. So it's
Yeah.
like I'm gonna hold on to all my assets. You know what I'm saying? Just to kind of
Yeah.
ride things through. So, anyways, y'all, thank you guys for joining so much. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you want to join Johnny or Nidge, your chance to do so, it's gonna be like over here, or maybe it's on this side. You know, along with some videos. You know, get your feet wet, but. If we need a cup of tea, y'all go find it. It's out there.
Believe it, I'm joining. It's my friend NidgeDFX. We'll see you guys later.
Out.